We'll guide you through how to turn off AI on Google. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Google, and so you don't like AI being in the search results. We're going to guide you through turning this off. Make sure you watch this full guide and don't skip ahead, otherwise you may go and miss an important part of this. So what we're going to do first of all is just guide you through what it currently looks like. I'm going to go and type in GuideRealm explained. And you're going to go and see the AI overview at the top, which we don't want. You need to go to your browser settings. So press the three dots in the top right and you can go down and press settings. Now what you want to do is we need to go and find our search engine settings. You can go and search at the top, otherwise come to the left and go and find search. We can come down and press search and connected experiences. Then press address bar and search, and we'll press search engines. We can go and press add search engine in the top right. I'm going to name this Google No AI. In the shortcut, type in the email at web. Then here we can go and put the URL. So you can go and open up the description of this video. And I'm going to go and have it for Chrome and Edge. I've tested these out. Then what you can do is you can go and select it and then right click and press copy. If you use a different browser, you can try using the Edge one first. And if that doesn't work, you can try using the Chrome and it should work. But these are the ones I definitely tested. And then what you can do is go and press add. Find it and press the three dots to the right and press make default. Now we can open up a new tab. Now Google's going to be set so that the AI is turned off. So we go and type in GuideRealm explained and you'll go and see there's no AI there.